Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sagar for you today, and today it's continuation of weekend vlog series. So first of all I would like to give shout out. भाई shout out दे देते हैं Hitman को. भाई is a little bit shy, enjoyed the vlog quality is improving, keep it up, also keep us telling about some of your childhood story as well. So thank you Hitman for that beautiful comment. अगर आप लोग भी चाहते हो कि मैं आपका कमेंट शाउट आउट दूँ तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करो इस व्लॉग पे एंड देन आई विल गिव यू द शाउट आउट. So let's continue the vlog. I hope you will enjoy. So please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe my friends. So let's continue the vlog. ऑल राइट गाइस, तो हम आ चुके हैं हमारी फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे जो कॉमन होती है हमेशा, वो है पेट्रोल पंप. पीछे है, पेट्रोल भरवा दिए और गैस सिलेंडर भी ले लिया. तमाम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
شو vlog?
या ब्लॉग
share subscribe and comment.
शुक्रान यार,
शुक्रान.
शुक्रान. तो गाइस हमें मिल चुके हैं हमारे सब्सक्राइबर. तो Alright guys, so from where he came, no idea, but thank you so much, whoever you were, so much thank you. Please comment below so I will give you a shout out also, no problem. So much thank you for that, and it really means a lot when someone like this comes, and this was for me like first time a fan moment, but it was really awesome. Now I'll go in and I'll do some shopping for me, and then I'll see what I can, but that was really amazing. So thank you for that so much, whoever you were, so much thank you. Please comment below. Alright guys, so I'm in the market, and this is the shoe area, and I just came here, and I'll be going to the cloth area also to buy, and then I'll go for dinner. So let's see where I'll go. Okay, I hope you will enjoy the montages. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो मैं आई जस्ट केम हियर, और मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ बहुत शॉपिंग करने के लिए. सो आई जस्ट बॉट फ्यू क्लोथ्स फॉर मी, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर ईटिंग. मे बी आई विल गो फॉर डिनर. लेट्स सी विच होटल आई गो. सो स्टे ट्यून. आई होप यू विल एंजॉय अ लॉट. Alright guys, so everything is done, food done. I have shown a small magic trick. I hope you would like it. So now I'm going home and I'm really tired. It's night 12 p.m. Sorry, a.m. It's night 12 a.m. and now I'll go home. I'll show you the road as usual and I hope you would enjoy it. And at last, thank you for everyone, whoever is watching. It means a lot that every one of you are watching my videos. So भाई so much thank you आप सभी को. Alright guys, so I'm finally home. Mask utaro yaar. So I'm finally home and it was a lot of fun today and I really enjoyed so much. I hope you guys also enjoyed, so please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and comment below if you want any other types of vlogs, videos or anything. I would surely reply to all of them, so it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye, have a great day.